In Peru, people are placing their hopes for curbing the pandemic on vaccination. Yet, progress is slow. Only some 15% of Peruvians have received at least one dose, one of the worst rates in Latin America. But for health workers on the ground, it's better than nothing.
Nos sentimos optimistas porque la gente
We feel optimistic because people react well to vaccination in Peru. In fact, younger people would like everything to go faster so they can get vaccinated soon. Although commerce has reopened after a 9-month quarantine, strict safety measures remain in place. Authorities have mandated using double face masks to enter stores and shopping centers. Face shields are widely used, and hand-washing facilities have been installed in the streets. But it has not been enough. Peru has the highest per capita death rate in the world. The government's response to the crisis has been widely criticized. The doses arrived too late. The management of the pandemic is a complete disgrace, especially for the previous president's one. Now at least the Pfizer vaccine has arrived. The last 2 peaks of infections in Peru have coincided with deep political crises that, in both cases, led to massive demonstrations. The first one was in November, when political instability led to 3 presidents in 1 week. The second wave of protests is happening right now. The reason? A controversial presidential election. One of the candidates cried fraud, while the other claimed there is a plan to steal his victory. Supporters from both sides have taken to the streets. According to some experts, these demonstrations could cause a further rise in the infection curve. But at this point, the country cannot afford new lockdowns. The greatest effort must be done to vaccinate the population and to start negotiating from now on new generation vaccines for the new variants that may appear. This is the most effective measure, and we have been slow in doing so. On average, Peru administers about 350,000 vaccines every week, a low figure for a country of more than 33 million. Authorities have promised that the process will accelerate. A government forecast estimates that the eligible population will be immunized by the end of 2021.